Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Please remember guys to hit that like button, it means a lot. Let's make some shelly mushroom rice. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. Another way of getting those vegetables in your diet is by adding it to rice. And these can be whatever vegetables you like. In this case, I'm using mushroom and a little carrot, but you can use whatever vegetable you like and do it the same way. And it is very tasty, and children tend to eat it this way because they're not seeing it as vegetables. In my bowl, I have 2 cups of basmati rice, and I'm going to wash it at least 4 times to remove the starch. Wash the rice until the water becomes clean. Then add enough water to cover the rice and soak for half an hour. As I stated before, I'll be using mushroom and some carrot. So I've already washed and cleaned my mushroom and I'm going to dice them. You may slice yours, but I'm dicing mine. Prepare the other vegetables. I'll be using some onion, bell peppers, it doesn't matter which color, a piece of scotch bonnet, which is optional, but it does give a great flavor, and a piece of spring onion or a stalk of spring onion. Now the first thing we're going to do is to fry up our mushroom to remove the excess water. Now I'm going to pre-boil my rice. And for 2 cups of basmati rice, you need 4 cups of water. And I'm going to season the pot with a stock cube, spring onion, some salt, and you use whatever seasoning you want in your rice. And I'm using some mixed herbs. Now cover the pot and allow it to boil rapidly. Mushroom shrinks a lot, so you might, be nervous initially when you see the amount, but it shrinks a lot, and we are trying to get rid of all the water in the mushroom because you don't want a soggy rice, you want a shelly rice. After half an hour of soaking the rice, throw the water off and then now transfer it to this pot. You're going to allow it to boil between 5 and 7 minutes. Stir and allow it to boil for 5 to 7 minutes. Now the water has dried off. Now it's time to add my carrots. And we're going to allow this to steam also. Just for another 2 minutes. Let's check our rice to see if it's ready. Remember, we are boiling for about 5 minutes. Yes, the grain is looking almost done. Yeah, this is it. So I'm going to remove this, turn the stove off, strain my rice, and come back. Now it's time to add our scotch bonnet pepper, our bell peppers, and our onion. And we're going to allow that to cook for another 5 minutes until they're soft enough. Then we're going to season our pot. You know, you can add whatever seasoning you want. I'm going to add some garlic granules. And just season like you'd make a seasoned pot, a seasoned rice pot. Onion powder. Now you're just building up flavors right here. Half a teaspoon garlic butter. A little all-purpose or any seasoning you have. We're just building flavors, yeah? Well, this is our half-cooked rice. Put it on top. We're going to turn our stove very low. Basmati rice swells so much, and it's only 2 cups. We're going to adjust our stove and cover and let it steam. Let's adjust our stove to very low, very, very low. Yeah. Now we're going to add the cover. The idea is to keep our grains separated and not clumpy. Now we're going to add the cover and allow the rice to steam based on the vegetables on the bottom. After 15 minutes, you're going in and you're going to lift the vegetables from the bottom and sprinkle it on top. We don't want to stir rapidly and break the grains. We're lifting gently and stirring, lifting gently and stirring, leaving the grains separate. Now here you have it, spicy shelly mushroom rice. You may have this by itself or you may complement it with some meat of your choice. Any way you have it, it will be delicious. You may have this as a one-pot meal and you can just have this by itself without meat because it was that flavorful, it was that tasty. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.